A hero can be anyone, even a citizen doing something as simple and courageous as protecting a waterway from unconscionable polluters. Connect me just to the ship.
This is the Admiral.
I'm Edward James Olmos, and I'm a Waterkeeper. We all do it for the love of the earth and the love of water. We've been doing this for over 15 years, and we're getting stronger and stronger every day. Why? Because normal people like you and me take it into our own hands and our own understanding of life, and we protect our waterways. Anywhere in the world that you are, you can be a Waterkeeper, and we'll help you do it. Come on, join up with us and help keep our waterways clean so we can swim, fish, and enjoy fresh water. Check out our site. Follow us on Twitter, @Waterkeeper. Tell your friends, your relatives, tell everyone to follow us. Give us a thumbs up. Waterkeeper. Be one today. So say we all.